Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power at the breaker, then verify it. Do not assume it's off. Use a non-contact tester or multimeter to read 0 volts. Once confirmed, remove the faceplate and set screws aside in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. Take a clear photo of the switch and wiring. This is your reference for reassembly. These steps prevent shocks and mistakes, and they get you straight to the actionable work without needless delay, so do them precisely, and proceed when you see 0 volts. With power confirmed off, loosen the mounting screws and gently pull the switch out a few inches so terminals are exposed. Once out, identify and label the line, load, and ground wires. This step avoids reversing connections. Loosen terminal screws, free the wires, and compare with the new switch. Attach each wire to its matching terminal on the replacement, then tighten screws snugly to the recommended torque. No loose connections. Make sure ground is secure and that no bare copper is exposed. Once wiring is confirmed, carefully reseat the switch into the electrical box and tighten the mounting screws so it sits flush. Then reinstall the faceplate. Turn the breaker back on and test the switch. Flip it several times and observe the light or fixture for consistent operation. Any flicker, unusual noise, heat, or smell. If something goes wrong, immediately turn the breaker off, recheck wire placement and terminal tightness, and if the problem continues, stop and call a licensed electrician for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.